BlockDAG's recent surge in miner sales, crossing the $5 million mark, highlights the growing interest and confidence in its decentralized ecosystem. The project's innovative BlockDAG architecture, which aims to offer higher scalability and faster transaction speeds compared to traditional blockchain technologies, continues to attract miners and investors alike. Meanwhile, POL, Polygon's native token, is experiencing a significant rally, driven by developments in its ecosystem and rising adoption of Layer 2 solutions. The rally could be further fueled by Ethereum Classic, ETC, which is gaining attention for an anticipated breakout. Analysts are predicting ETC's upcoming breakout, driven by increasing institutional interest and network upgrades. With Ethereum Classic historically tracking Ethereum's movements, its bullish momentum is catching the eye of investors. This combination of BlockDAG's sales surge, POL's price action, and Ethereum Classic's breakout prediction is setting the stage for a potentially exciting period in the crypto market.